Alright guys, we're going to be doing a little bass boat video today. It is a SX190 Skeeter with a 150 Yamaha VMAX on it. And then you got the big gas tank, then you got your AC Delco batteries. And then over here you got your Bass Pro Shops XPS battery charger. Sorry the boat's a little dirty today. Then you got your fish finder hookups. Then you got another fish finder hookup. We lost this fish finder. Of course you got your Minn Kota Edge 75-pound thrust. And then top inside the boat you got your two live wells. Got your cooler. Then you got all your tackle and stuff. And then you got your rod box and stuff. And then you got your sponsor sticker. Then you got inside the dash. Then you got up under the seat. That's on both sides. Here's my other compartment. Pretty empty. And right there's another little fish finder. There's the gear shifter. And right there's all the live well switches down there. Of course you gotta have your throw cushion out. There's the crappy net we got. And that concludes my video. Comment, rate, subscribe.